विवेकानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, visitors, viewers, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars, sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, cities sitting with us, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, Scottsdale, Arizona, Stratford, Connecticut, Houston, Kalahasti, Indrani, New Jersey, Singapore, Singapuram, London, Kashi, Phoenix, Kanchipuram, Atmadayaki, London, Kashi, Seattle, Chidambaram, Nityananda University, Los Angeles, Enriching Temple, Biddi, Ohio, Shivananda, Austin, Texas, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, St. Louis, Tirumala, San Jose, Madurai, Grasse, France, Cooling, Tiruttani, Ravensburg, Germany, High Point, North Carolina, Newfoundland, Canada, Los Angeles, Hollywood, Hong Kong, Sirgari, Nityananda Nagara, Tiruvannamalai, Toronto, Kailasam, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Ohio, Prayag, Jorpati, Nepal, Amersfoort, Netherlands, Scottsdale, Arizona, Kuala Lumpur, Palani, Kathmandu, Nepal, Oman, Sivagangai, Philadelphia. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Rajivji, thank you for visiting Toronto Kailasam Temple and giving an awesome lecture. Thank you. Today, Vinayaka Chaturthi, Brahmotsava, 8th day. Ganesha is gracing all of us on the Ashwavahana, the horse vehicle. Today is the day of completion. The inner awakening, second day, the day of completion. So I'll expand on some of the important principles of completion. Please understand, the science of completion literally, the science of Purnatva literally brings you the Purnatva. The science of completion literally brings completion. Whatever may be the conflict inside or outside, most of the time even you are not convinced you are the hero worthy of success, even you have a doubt, maybe a part of me is villain. That is why failures are happening. Listen. The self-doubts, internal conflicts and contradictions, internal confusions, what to do, what not to do, whether to do this or not. Completion, first thing completion does, brings you to the understanding of karma and goes on guiding you. Please understand, in Western society, it is always like who wins the war writes the history. But in the Eastern society, it is always like before the war, we know who is going to win. Because whoever is thoroughly convinced about themselves wins the war. See, thoroughly getting convinced about you, being sure about you. Please understand. Thoroughly getting convinced about you, being sure about you, happens only when you bring the science of completion into your thinking. The science of Purnatva into your thinking. Please listen. Listen to this. Deity worship alone by its own right can give you enlightenment. Same way, what J. Krishnamurti is teaching, the choiceless awareness, that alone by its own strength can give you enlightenment. Deity worship is an independent path. From A to Z, it can lead you to enlightenment. Choiceless awareness is an independent path. Just by its strength, it can lead you to enlightenment from A to Z. Deity worship or choiceless awareness, both will lead you to complete enlightenment. No doubt. Listen. But you have to be sure about you. What do you want? Please understand. Most unfortunate thing is not being sure about yourself. The science of completion, the first thing it does to your being, bringing clarity to you, being sure about yourself. See, when you do completion, Purnatva, some things you will complete, some things you will not be able to complete, you will be struggling with it. With what you are struggling now, based on that, at least you will be sure about you. Please understand. Whatever is completed and leaves your system, the oscillations, distractions, dilemmas created by those vague thoughts will disappear. Now, You will be sure not only about you, about your enemy. Being sure about you makes you understand how to be sure about who is your enemy. Life itself is a great war. When you are sure about you and your enemy, I guarantee you will win the war. Not only you will win the war, you will win the war without having desperation and anxiety. Because all desperation, all anxiety is caused just by the casual thoughts. Please understand. All big dilemmas are caused by casual thoughts. It is just casual thoughts which are not scanned with the power of completion, responsible for your desperation and dilemmas. Don't ever think desperation and dilemmas are created by your strong root pattern. No. Desperation and dilemmas are always by the by the passerby thoughts. Please understand. This is one of the important revelation, especially for all our followers, disciples who are following the science of completion. You need to know desperation and anxiety is never caused by root pattern. Desperation and anxiety will be caused only by the passerby thoughts, the casual thoughts. The root pattern causes only delusion. Root pattern does bigger damages. The desperation and anxiety are caused just by the passerby thoughts. Just by simple completion. You don't need to spend hours, even just by the remembering that you are supposed to complete. Just by the will to complete, without the help of the technique, the passerby thoughts can be completed. Please understand. Thoughts which can be completed just by will, without using the technique of completion. Only those thoughts cause desperation and anxiety. The thoughts which causes desperation and anxiety will not have roots in your system. All the inner awakening participants, please listen. I'm repeating. All the satsangis, please listen. One of the major obstacle you face in your life, the day-to-day life, the constant nagging you do to yourself is desperation and anxiety. This desperation and anxiety is never caused by root patterns or strong patterns in your system. No. Desperation and anxiety are always caused in you by the passerby thoughts, the casual thoughts, the casual thoughts, the passerby thoughts. Please understand. When you practice completion, you will understand. There will be some thoughts Just by the decision to complete, I have to complete, the thought will disappear. It will lose its power. That incompletion, that thought will not even come back to you again. Just by the will, you don't even have to sit and find the root and root incident and relive, use the mirror and relive. You don't even need to get into the technique. Just by the will and decision, some of the thoughts will fall flat, will get completed. Those thoughts only create anxiety and desperation. That is why I am telling you, it is the anxiety and desperation which you need to conquer first. Root pattern is the enemy who causes spell on you, delusion on you. If I have to give the example of Mahabharata war, all these ordinary soldiers are like passerby thoughts. You are a hero. You can't be killed by ordinary soldiers. They don't need more than just you blowing or just rotating your sword. The speed of your sword is enough for them to disappear. You don't need to individually fight with them, attack them with your special astra shastra, the divine weapons. No. Reserve the divine weapons for your root pattern. Actual completion process you need to do to complete your root pattern. Root patterns causes self-denial in you. Self-denial means even you cherishing your own failure for some perverted reasons. Perverted reasons means the sympathy which you get when you fail, you start enjoying that. You start tasting that. These are all some of the serious sickness. You need to melt it down by completion. Do you want to be remembered as a winner or a man who sacrificed his life for a cause and who is a martyr? Martyrdom is stupidity. It is the word you use for your self-denial. Victory is the only thing. Victory is the only possibility of living Advaita. Complete completion. Don't ever visualize the martyrdom is cute. No. Sacrificing yourself for some ideology, some concept, and dying for it is cute. No. Victory is only the cute thing. Victory is only the thing worthy of celebration. Understand? If you start cherishing the idea, let me be remembered as a person sacrificed, you already started enjoying the sympathy you get after failure. Please do not allow that in any venture. Don't prepare the logic to support why you failed. The more you think and prepare the logical reasons to tell everyone why you failed, you are preparing yourself for failure. Only those deeper perversions of self-denial is caused by root patterns. The first thing you need to do in your life, bring tremendous, intense interest towards completion. Please understand. The power of Bhima is such, Gadotkaja is such, they don't fight with sipais, soldiers. When they attack the opposite side enemy, with the four sipais just die, soldiers just die. So if you have the intense interest towards completion, the way you attack your root pattern, all these casual thoughts which creates desperation and anxiety will die just by your force. Today, I'll be guiding you into the completion of both the levels, destroying the passerby thoughts, the casual thoughts, which create anxiety and desperation in you. And, please listen, and stronger, powerful techniques towards completion. Stronger, powerful techniques towards completion. If you are constantly engaged by ordinary soldiers, thoughts which create desperation and anxiety in you, when are you going to attack the main enemy? The thoughts creating desperation and anxiety should be handled just by will, mere will. And I tell you, it can be handled. When your desperation and anxiety disappears, only then you will be sure about you and your enemy. I tell you, whoever is sure about who is his enemy wins the war. Made them lose the war because of their desperation and anxiety. They were making their own side heroes powerless. How can Bhishma win the war if he is constantly abused of not being faithful? How can Drona win the war if he is constantly kept under the threat, blackmailing by Aswathama? Desperation and anxiety, I tell you, if Duryodhana is really interested in having the kingdom, but he did not have the desperation for the war, Karna would have surely revealed to Duryodhana he is the senior Pandava. And Pandavas should have known Karna is the senior Pandava, son of Kundi. Simply the Pandavas would have handed over the kingdom to Karna. Karna, such a loyal friend, he would have simply coronated Duryodhana. And the whole thing would have happened in 3 seconds. 1 second to reveal Karna is the Kundi Putra, senior to Yudhishthira. Second, Yudhishthira to surrender to Karna. Third second, Karna to surrender to Duryodhana. Over. But Karna knows Duryodhana is desperate, anxious to kill Pandavas. he is more interested in killing them, eliminating them, than kingdom. That is why Karna could never reveal he is the senior Kundiputra. Understand? If you drop desperation and anxiety, tons and tons of twists can happen in your war. Then you will have the patience to know who is your enemy. Actually, I am revealing my war strategy, the strategy with which I am waging this whole war in which I was dragged, or I am dragged. Because of no anxiety and no desperation, I am so sure about me and who is trying to attack me. I tell you, whenever you are sure about you and who is trying to attack you, you will win the game. And you will also know how to create desperation and anxiety for the other side so that they will never know who is the enemy. In Mahabharata war, you can see again and again they use the weapon to spell, cast on, or to create a huge dust so that the other team will not be able to know or see who is the enemy. In your inner space also, the anxiety and desperation is the huge dust storm due to which you will not know who is real enemy. You will not be sure about where you are, who you are, and who is the real enemy. Understand? Completion science is the weapon to remove the dust storm, sandstorm. Completion is like a rain. It will just make the sandstorm settle down, dust storm settle down. You will simply be able to see. You will be sure about you and you will become sure about your opponent. I tell you, completion should be again and again and again applied, not to become enemyless, but to know who is enemy. Understand? Don't be afraid by completion you will become enemyless. No, you will become sure about your enemy. The anxiety and desperation will always show wrong person as enemy to you. And the person who is anxious, desperate, he can be easily cheated by small, small favors. I have seen how these guys who are interested in just one garland, one shawl, just for that one garland, one shawl in the stage, they will enter into politics. They will not know the mess they are getting into just because somebody will put a shawl and garland on them on the stage. It is like you want to get married because one day you will get feast, marriage feast. If you want a marriage feast, go to somebody else's marriage and eat and come back. Just for marriage feast, don't plan for marriage. You will not know what a big mess you are getting into. Understand? See, if you want to get married and you are getting married, great. Then you know you are responsible. Desperation and anxiety will make you do major decisions for small reasons. It will make you do big damages to yourself because you are temporarily upset. I have seen people doing that. Just because they are temporarily upset, they do permanent damages. Completion is needed. Completion need to be again and again practiced to help you to be out of desperation and anxiety, to remove desperation and anxiety from your decision making process. Please understand, if your decision making process is filled, the space where you make decision, if it is filled with desperation and anxiety, you will make stupid decisions. Because you can't accept you made stupid decisions, you go on claiming you sacrificed your life for one reason. Only if the victory is achieved, you have a right to use the word sacrifice. If not, you wasted. It is not sacrifice. Wasting is not sacrifice. Understand? Wasting is not sacrifice. If somebody says you have sacrificed, even after you lose, it is like you are given consolation prize. Consolation prize is not prize. It is consolation. Understand? Actually, if you just remove desperation and anxiety, simply you will know what is dharma. Simply you will know what is dharma. Nothing else is required. The inner space without desperation and anxiety is established in dharma. The dharmic inner space will not cherish anxiety and desperation. Will not be comfortable with anxiety and desperation. And the inner space established in dharma, completion, will also know the technique how to put the opponent into the space of anxiety and desperation. It will be like a simple play to finish off Bhishma, to finish off Drona, to finish off Karna. All it took for Krishna is just few minutes. The moment you brought them clarity, done. Work is done. Understand? Bring completion into your life more and more and more. You will become more and more sharper in the war you are waging. Please understand, withdrawal never, never, never can never be the solution. Wherever withdrawal is given as a solution, be sure there Advaita is not taught. Coveredness is preached with a beautiful covering. Advaita is always established on activism. Activism is always established on Advaita. Only the activism which is established in Advaita becomes successful. Please understand. The activism established in Advaitic understanding, Advaitic context, always becomes successful. In the space of completion, you are sure about who you are and who your enemy is. And you will not be caught in anxiety and desperation. You may raise it for others, but you yourself will never be caught in it. You may raise a sandstorm, but you will not be caught in it. You will raise it so that the others will be caught in it. You yourself will never be caught in it. Understand? I wanted all of you to understand all your life, whether you are an ordinary teacher or an engineer or a lawyer or doctor or politician or a housewife, be very clear, you are waging a war. You are waging a war. And first thing you need to do, stop this sandstorm, dust storm, anxiety and desperation by completion. The science of completion is so powerful. The anxiety and desperation will settle down just the moment you remember that you have to complete. Smaranat mukti, just by remembrance liberation. Just by the remembrance you have to complete, the anxiety and desperation will melt down. Melting down the anxiety and desperation is the first action you have to do before starting any war, because only then you will know, you will be sure about what you are, and you will be sure about who is your enemy. You will be sure about who is casually joining them. See, all your enemies are not completely your enemies, out and out. They might have taken an opposite stand to you for various reasons. When you wage the war without anxiety and desperation, you will know why somebody is your friend, why somebody is your enemy, and what is the reason for his enmity, and you will simply know what to do to make him lose his enmity towards you. Please understand. Most of the time, you will win the war just by making the opponent to lose the enmity towards you. You don't even need to fight with him. Most of the time, his enmity is stupidity. And stupidity will never stand. Stupidity will not give strength to somebody to constantly handle their anxiety and desperation. So a little bit of anxiety and desperation is an antidote for their stupidity. If somebody is not backing out even with a little anxiety and desperation, then he is your enemy. Plan only to fight with him. Don't waste your energy here and there, here and there, here and there. Whether you are waging the war in your inner space or outer world, this is the law of war, law of life. Even in your inner space, smoking itself may not be a big pattern you have to conquer. It is that, please understand, anxiety and desperation you feel in the tongue constantly forces you to smoke, but the root of that anxiety and desperation you feel in the tongue is lovelessness. If you look back, somewhere you would have been denied love. That is the root pattern. If you are wasting your time in fighting with quitting smoking, you will never be successful. This smoking is just a solution for your desperation and anxiety you are feeling in your tongue. Complete with that and go back to the root. In the young age, for some reason, if you are denied love, a very subtle but powerful anxiety and desperation gets developed in the center of the tongue. Please understand. These are some of the energy circle based truths, energy circuit diagnostic methods. The heaviness you feel in the center of the chest is always your desperation that you will not get what you really, really want in your life. If you complete with that, this desperation will disappear. This heaviness in the chest will disappear. The anxiety and desperation you feel in the center of the tongue is because the experience that love was denied in you, denied for you, the experience of lovelessness in your life. People who smoke in the anxiety and desperation can very easily be cheated. You don't need to make big plans to cheat them and divert them, win them in their life. You just drop 2 rupee note on the ground, they will bend to pick up the 2 rupee, even at the cost of losing their own wallet. The people who have anxiety and desperation in the center of the tongue, only for them this proverb will match that. Penny wise, pound foolish. Desperation and anxiety should be completed first. Life should be handled without desperation and anxiety in your inner space. Completion does that to you. Completion does that to you. Completion is the science makes you win the game of life everywhere. Understand? Wherever you are playing the game, whether you are playing in an IT company or a legal battle, or you are a doctor, or you are an engineer, or you are a scientist, or you are an activist, whatever may be the war you are waging, completion really makes you win the game. And all the subtle self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial patterns which are responsible for you not winning the war and go on justifying it, justifying your failure. That's the worst thing can happen to a human being. At least know it very clearly. When you are a failure, you are a failure, so that you can come back assuming one more body and win the game again. Win the game in the next birth. If you are a Hindu, you have a luxury of many births. Understand? The biggest luxury a man can get is any number of lives. That is only available for Sanatana Hindus. That's only available for Hindus. Others, even if the option is given, because they live with such a strong faith, no one more birth is not possible, they live like stones. When they are given the second birth option, because they are not prepared for it. That is why I am telling you, when you are living, you should have the clarity that more births are available. Many more births are possible, so that you are constantly mentally prepared for it. When you are given that option, you will simply be able to play. Denial of the truth of many births possible is one of the biggest wrong idea taught to human beings. See, it is like you tell somebody, after 7 kilometers there is no road. And this fellow goes there and he sees multiple roads, but he doesn't know how to drive there because he was not prepared. Keeping human beings in the dark and not letting them prepare for their future is the biggest mistake. That is why I am telling you, if you are from the tradition of Sanatana Hindu Dharma, you are rightly informed and prepared for your complete life. See, a person during his whole life, when he has a cognition, he has more births, and whatever he is not completed now, he is going to come back and complete. Life is a continuity. If he lives with this cognition, believes it's cognition, when he dies and the options of many births are given, he is prepared to choose, he is prepared for further journey, knowing that journey is not going to end after death itself is the greatest preparation you have done for further journey. That itself is the greatest blessing. That is why sometime when I stand in front of Kapila and Mahadeva, I tell them, oh God, you are so great. You make me take birth, the Sanatana Hindu Dharma, and gave me all these truths from the very young age, where based on these truths, my life, my thinking, my decisions, my cognition, everything is built. So nice that I am built on solid foundation. If you are from the Sanatana Hindu Dharma, you should celebrate just because you are given right informations about life, self, cosmos. All these major questions are answered in a right, factual manner to you. Please understand. The answers are given in a factual manner. That's the most beautiful thing. Completion releases you from anxiety and desperation. It releases you from anxiety and desperation. Complete, complete, complete. Wherever you are, whatever you are, whoever you are, this is the solution. Completion is complete solution. With this, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.